Let's talk about IP addresses and how to stay safe online. An IP address is like your home address for the internet. It's a unique number that identifies your device. While it's needed for your devices to communicate online, you should be careful about who can see your IP address. Here are 3 tips to better protect your privacy. Use a VPN. A VPN or virtual private network masks your IP address so it looks like your traffic is coming from the VPN server instead of your actual location. This makes it harder for companies or hackers to pinpoint your physical location. Be wary of links. Don't click on suspicious links that could expose your IP address through your internet history or cookies. And definitely don't download any programs from sketchy sites. Enable a firewall. A firewall adds a layer of security that monitors incoming and outgoing traffic and blocks threats. Enable your operating system's built-in firewall or install a third-party option. Following basic online safety tips like these makes it much harder for shady entities to grab your IP address and use it to compromise your privacy or security. Stay savvy out there. What other cybersecurity tips would you add? Let me know in the comments.